After windows, the next thing we have here, that is component, right? And one more settings we had related to this was tag on placement, right? So anyways, I will discuss that later. So let's come to the components part, right? So here we have inserted doors, windows. Next thing is component. Go to here, place a component, right? Click on this point. So by default, here we have some component. One is desk, here mounting patterns, parking space. We have deciduous type of trees as well, right? So let's suppose I want to insert an oak tree here. So click on this button, right? At this front part, I want a tree, and here as well, right? After this, let's say here I want to insert a parking space. So click here, right? In front of this, near to this tree, I am inserting a parking space here as well, right? If you switch to your 3D view, you can clearly see these things. This is the tree that we had inserted, right? And here we have a parking space. We have multiple options for inserting other component as well. Again, click on place a component, go to its load families, right? Here you can see we have this entourage as well. So let's click on this entourage. Here we have a beetle type of car. If you want to insert this, click open, right? And you can insert in the 3D view, or you can move to your level 1 as well, right? So let's suppose I am inserting it here like this, right? In that entourage, we had some more option as well. Let's say RPC mail I want to install, right? So click on this button. Here I want to show a man standing here. So click here, right? If you switch to your 3D view, right, you can see that thing here. This is the car or the person we have inserted using place a component command, right? But if you see here, this car is not aligned inside the parking space. For that thing, you need to rotate this car through a certain angle. So for that thing, we have modify, go to here, rotate, select your object, press enter, right? Here you need to specify a start point for rotation, right? And here you can click on this button so that it can be aligned like this, right? Again, if you want to move this towards the center, you can click on this button. You can track any point or move like this, right? So in this way, you can align your car inside your parking lot. If you switch to your 3D, you can see it here, right? Let's see some of other components that are available in placer component option. So here in this load families, we have furniture or furniture system as well. So click on furniture, right? Here we have beds as well, right? This type of or double bed. So let's say I want to insert these. So make sure you are inserting anything in your level 1 plan, right? Just because otherwise it will create a lot of lag in your system, right? So let's say I'm inserting these here, right? You can insert once and you can change these dimensions later to specify the distance from various points. We have here different types of chairs as well, right? Sofa sets. So you can choose any one from your family and insert. So here, let's say I'm installing it here. Let's see some more option we have. Let's move back. Let's see in this storage we have cabinet and wardrobe. We have tables as well, conference table, right? Dining table, this type of table. You can insert these things inside your room. So let's say I'm installing it here. After this, let's see some more things we have. that is mirror, right? We have stool foot, flat TV screen, TV stand as well, right? Workstation we have. So we can install all these setting from here. So after this, we have furniture system. You can see here different tables if you want to insert, right? Similarly, we have all the kitchen accessories setting, right? Various types of wash basin, washroom settings. So you can insert these here. After that, let's check some more settings here. We have various plumbing options as well. You can go here and check various architectural fixture. We have bathtub setting, right? So you can explore all of these components that we have in this, right? We have here wash basins, right? We have sinks and drain as well. So you can check all these settings, right? After that, you can work on the system as well. Let me show you all these things in 3D as well. So here you can see the doors, the beds we have inserted here, right? You will also be able to see the tables. So let's orbit it like this. And here you can see the tables, right? This one, here we had one more table. Here the chairs and table arrangement that we had inserted over here. So in this way, we can insert all these components inside our project. So I hope it is clear for everyone up to this point.